Good morning, everyone. So please excuse me for not using Cantonese. I can understand Cantonese, but I'm not very good at speaking Cantonese. Okay, so please allow me to use English. My name is Lin Fei Li. I'm the mission coordinator for this FinTech program. So I'm responsible for the admission matters for this program. Okay. So first of all, I would like to thank all parents and students for coming today. It's great to see you. And finally, after 3 years, we're back to the classroom again, which is great. So today we would like to basically show you the following things. In the first part, our Professor C.K. Chen will explain the FinTech ecosystem in Hong Kong and the career prospects for FinTech graduates. In the second part, I will explain the program, our curriculum structure, and the mission requirements. Okay, and then in the third part, it's our great pleasure to have invited two outstanding alumni. They were the first batch of they were in the first batch of our graduates, Ms. Chen Yu and Mr. Felix Chu, to share their experiences. Okay. So Yu is working for Goldman Sachs, which is a well-known investment bank in Hong Kong now as an analyst. And then Felix, he has done intern with many companies, including Hong Kong Monetary Authority, and he's now working for L'Oreal in Hong Kong. Okay, so now let's welcome Professor Chen for the first part.
Okay, thank you, Professor Lee. And 或者我用廣東話啦，大家親切啲好唔好啊？咁咧就其實今日都幾好，見到咁多同學有興趣嚟聽我呢個 talk 好似我哋有幾年都唔可以有面對面啦，咁今日非常開心見到同學可以面對面睇我哋點樣可以了解多啲金融科技學系啦，即係呢個 program 啦，同埋我哋將來出路係咩咧？咁首先我哋講香港嘅生態啦金融科技生態咧，大家都聽到好多人講開，究竟係咩金融科技？Financial technology係乜嘢咧？咁其實一個好籠統嘅definition 咧，就係任何用科技去 support 我哋支援我哋嗰啲金融嘅產品啦、服務啦，嗰啲我都可以籠統叫佢做金融科技，係嘛？咁但係主要其實大家通常都係會留意到咧，係好多係 payment 嘅 services 支付寶嗰啲嘅 services PayMe 八達通嗰啲都係金融科技嘅好緊要嘅組成部分啦。咁yeah,呢度有啲什麼啲 OK 咁。同埋你知道我哋喺金管局嘅推動之下咧，我哋有8間嘅虛擬銀行 Virtual Bank。咁啲 Virtual Bank 咧亦都用好多 technology。佢哋同傳統銀行我冇介紹自己，我之前其實係匯豐銀行嘅亞太嘅呢個科技呢個RBWM Retail Banking 嘅科技總監Asia Pacific。咁我退咗休就入咗嚟中文大學啦教呢個書。咁我哋傳統銀行咧，其實都用好多科技嘅，係咪？我自己係 IT 啦，喺匯豐都有成28年。咁點解我哋今次特別係會講虛擬銀行咧？虛擬銀行咧，因為佢冇一個所謂我哋叫做legacy 嘅，冇一個包袱。我哋銀行嘅系統咧，其實係好多年已經開始跌咗落。我記得我哋匯豐同埋呢個香港政府電話公司咧，係第一。係頭嗰3間公司係用呢個電腦系統去 automate 佢哋嘅運作。咁當時嘅情況咧，我就係入咗電話公司之後先去咗匯豐啦。咁我哋係用緊呢個科技，但係好多啲 system 咧係當時嗰年代 develop 嘅，到而家已經幾廿年。咁所以有好多所謂叫做 legacy 啦咁有呢啲咁嘅包袱。咁但係咧，虛擬銀行咁嘅包袱，我而家開始咧最新嘅科技，最新嘅technology AI 同埋佢嗰個設計咧係一個新啲嘅 architecture 咁樣啦咁同埋咧，我哋都喺呢個我哋話喺金融科技咩精神新啲嘅 咁就包括咩咧？係有 blockchain 啦、cryptocurrency 啦，大家都聽咗好多啦。AI base 嘅 advisory service 啦，譬如 robo advisor 係點樣係去幫啲客戶去解咁嗰類嘅嘢啊。咁亦都係喺監管方面咧，知銀行或者保險咧有個銀行咧就係呢個金融管理局啦，金管局。呢個保險咧就係 insurance authority 啊。咁呢兩啲監管嘅機構咧都係需要。咁所以我哋嘅同學出嚟咧呢方面啦。咁或者講講少少歷史啦。咁喺幾年前咧就呢個金管局咧推出呢個叫做 Smart Banking。咁當時銀行嘅用呢個 technology 咧。都已經係好多你大家接觸嘅銀行業務咧，都已經係好多 automation 嘅啦已經。不過仲可以再提高啲。咁所以金管局就出咗一個叫做 Smart Banking 嘅七個嘅 Smart Banking Initiative。咁係包括咩咧？係 faster payment。咁大家都可能用過啦，即係我哋過數快啦，叫做數快嚇。咁就可以有唔需要俾一個任何，已經可以將你嘅一間銀行嘅存款，即係嘅 account 咧，啲數咁啊由金管局去推行呢樣嘢，咁各個銀行咧就要喺佢自己系統咧就去配合呢個FPS 啦。跟住咧就有個virtual banking 啦，有8個新嘅銀行嘅牌咧係放出嚟俾啲虛擬銀行。亦都有一個叫 Open API，就係咧。有4個嘅 phases， 咁嗰啲銀行咧就需要將佢嗰啲產品嘅資料啊，或者客戶嘅 transaction 去到最後期啦可以俾一啲新嘅公司去提取即係要 open 咗佢個interface， 我哋就用嗰個 API application program interface 一個固定嘅方法去落嗰啲資料咁樣。咁呢幾樣嘢咧都係推動係我哋用科技喺銀行界嘅發展啦。咁其他啲咧就例如我哋要點樣令到online banking 係行得快啲啦，唔需要去銀行去分行度開戶口啦。咁就係 banking make easy 啦，左下角嗰個。同埋咧點樣可以做 cross border 嘅 account opening 喺香港點樣開一個外國嘅戶口啊，或者之類嘅嘢咁樣。咁跟住就佢亦都提供一個呢個 FinTech 嘅internship program 我哋叫做Financial Career Enhanced Acceleration Program（FCAS）。咁呢幾樣嘢咧就令到我哋可以再推行多啲啦。咁我哋通常咧喺業界就叫做 digital development 啦，即係呢個數字化。咁數字化先可以擺落去 computer system 啊嘛。所以我哋就係 digitalization。咁呢7個 initiative 咧就喺2017年，咁而家已經5年啦，其實咁通常我哋點樣睇咧？即係要用大家知道國內咧都好盛行呢幾樣嘢啦。咁通常我哋嗰個 evolvement 係點咧？係由一啲新嘅technology service provider 喺尤其是係 payment 一方面，係支付嗰方面嘅 payment 嘅 services 咧，跟住引申到一啲財務嘅管理啦、借貸啦，再去一啲投資方面。咁呢個就係嗰個過程嘅進度。你見到係呢幾個主要嘅payment service 咧，都慢慢演變咗去唔同嘅 investment services。咁我哋大家可以了解咧，就係話喺一個最簡單、最易大家去用嘅 service 咧，就係 payment 啦。跟住我哋就接觸咗呢個 payment service provider，可能你要用多啲佢嘅產品。咁呢個就係喺銀行方面咧，亦都係追緊呢個方面嘅發展啊。咁你見到呢個頭先我講有8間嘅虛擬銀行啦 ，virtual bank 啦。咁呢啲 virtual bank 其實佢想成立一個 virtual bank 咧，其實都唔簡單嘅。佢當然要有 capital 啦，投資即係開間銀行啦，攞到個牌啦，同埋佢要證明俾呢個金管局，佢又有咁嘅 capability， 有咁嘅人才，可以去 run 一間 bank， 可以去發展佢個系統。咁呢方面經過其實1-2年嘅即係令到金管局覺得佢有信心。咁呢幾間銀行咧，譬如第一間係攞到牌就係 ZA Bank 啦，眾安啦。 咁你見到有個特點就係好多呢度大部分嘅銀行咧，都係同一間唔係 financial service 嘅機構合作嘅。譬如你講緊中銀係同呢個渣甸京東或者係呢個Morris Bank 就同電話公司咁佢哋個點解要咁樣去組合咧？就係覺得銀行嘅將來嘅發展咧，就會融入我哋嘅生活裏邊嘅。咁係利用係我哋平時喺生活上面需要嘅客戶群，可以提供一啲銀行業務俾佢。咁呢個係最理想。當我哋喺不知不覺之中咧，已經可以做到一啲金融科技嘅服務啦。咁樣呢個就係點解我哋 Smart Banking 可以推動到銀行金融科技嘅發展。咁好啦，咁而家今年就2022年啦。咁2021年咧，呢個金管局咧推出另外一個呢就係再加強啲喺 FinTech 嘅運用咯。咁我會講少少呢個。其實咧就係話我哋喺2025年之前咧，佢喺舊年2021年尾咧就發信俾所有嘅銀行咧，一定要俾一個 plan，你哋點樣去增加你哋嘅科技人才喺你個銀行裏邊，同埋咧有邊啲 process 你哋會 adopt。咁佢又俾咗個好 comprehensive 好詳盡嘅問卷，啲銀行要答翻俾佢。佢3年之內咧，你哋個 plan 乜嘢？咁所以呢方面咧對大家嘅係好消息嚟嘅，因為咧你見到有咁多間傳統銀行，香港有成200間銀行，即係有大有細啦，當然啦。佢哋全部都要去發展，有啲係已經係即係好develop啦，好似我喺匯豐已經好多已經係 automate，但係有啲中型銀行都未係全部科技化嘅，咁變咗咧，我哋提供俾同學嘅出路咧，喺呢個推動之下咧係非常好咯。喺金融科技嘅方面，咁呢個2025係講咩咧？其實係頭先我哋嗰個 Smart Banking 嘅再更進一步。一 push 咧就係 data， 因為大家覺得咧，其實你銀行嘅客戶嗰啲 data 咧儲咗好多喺度，我哋唔係用到好盡，係一個 untapped 嘅 resource 嘅 opportunity， 點樣去再 grow 多啲咧？點樣去 drive 呢個data 嘅 usage 咧？咁有5個 area， 我好快講一講。咁其實我哋簡單咧就係叫做 BCDEF 咯，即係呢5個英文字母。B 係咩咧？就 All Banks Go FinTech。咁頭先講啦，佢就話所有銀行咧喺2025年之前咧，要所有嘅大部分嘅 process 咧都要 automate 咗，都要 digitize 咗佢，係咪？第 C 咧就係咩咧？就而家講緊 cryptocurrency 啦，或者係呢個中央央行個推出嘅叫 Central Bank Digital Currency。咁有人民幣啦，香港 dollar 啦，呢啲都係就嚟我哋會有啲即係應該聽到金管局嗰啲有啲 announcement 喺呢方面。咁跟住咧中間 D 咧就係 data 啦，點樣令到我哋咧可以再提升佢一個 next generation 嘅 data infrastructure。咁我就會講講點解。E 咧就係 expand 我哋嘅 workforce， 增加我哋培訓啲呢個銀行嘅科技從業員，即係金融科技嘅人才。即係而家我哋呢班同學啦呢班同學咧，你哋就喺呢個 E 嗰方面咧，就會政府會投入好多資源大學方面啦，去提升我哋點樣去訓練多啲科技，或者將現職嘅唔係做緊金融科技咧，點樣將佢轉型去做金融科技嘅人才咯。咁呢個就係 E 嗰方面。F 咧就係如果係要令到個成個 ecosystem 係發展係快咧，政府要泵多啲錢出嚟，係嘛？咁分定啦，即係點樣分一啲 startup 初創公司啦，一啲金融科技嘅初創，點樣令到我哋可以多啲呢啲咁嘅發展啊？咁好快啦，講講 All Bank Go FinTech 咧，就係頭先我講過第2個圓圈咧，就係講緊個 assessment， 所有嘅銀行咧都要提交佢哋嘅而家嘅技術嘅應用嘅情況，跟住就點樣去 plan for 佢哋將唔同嘅即係唔同嘅從業員變為一個認證咗嘅金融科技。咁亦都有個新嘅professional 嘅 destination 出嚟，就叫做 FinTech Professional。咁將來咧入咗去銀行嘅方面咧，你就可以去考取一個叫做 Certified FinTech Professional。咁將來咧呢個 Certified FinTech Professional 咧係叫做QF6即係等於一個 Master Level 嘅 certification。咁我哋大家讀完個 FinTech Bachelor Engineering FinTech degree 咧，其實已經可以 exempt 咗 for association professional。咁嗰個咧已經等於 QF5，即係話咧一個 degree 嘅 holder 嘅 qualification 啊。咁呢個就係Open FinTech 啦。將來我哋點樣去虛擬貨幣啊，或者係實體嘅貨幣咧？Electronic currency 啊，即係我哋有 e-Hong Kong Dollar 啦。點樣去利用增加我哋嗰個流通性啦？或者將個科技可以發展得快啲啦。咁就呢個係 CBDC 嘅發展啦。data 啦，我哋利用嗰個叫做 commercial data interchange， 唔同嘅行業，佢將佢啲 data 擺入一個 common platform， 咁可以我哋可以增加我哋去新嘅 solution 啦，同埋攞到唔同嘅 data 去增加我哋去嗰個貸款嘅 credit approval 啦。唔係淨係銀行嘅 financial data， 而係其他啲生活上嘅 data 都可以幫我哋做呢個一個新啲嘅 credit scoring 嘅方法。咁呢個就係叫做CDI。跟住 corporate digital identity， 我哋而家就有個叫做I'm Smart。I'm Smart 咧，將會變為一個係個人嘅 I'm Smart 係。咁呢個中間呢個咧就將會變為公司嘅認證，一個即係比較digital 嘅認證方法。咁呢個就係workforce 啦，點樣增加我哋去create 多啲人才啦。咁第二個波就頭先我講過 certified FinTech professional 嗰個，令到我哋一啲可能唔係做緊 FinTech 嘅從業員咧，佢哋可以考取一個 FinTech 嘅 qualification。咁呢個係由銀行公會咧、銀行學會去有啲 courses 俾一啲其他嘅行業嘅同事嘅從業員咧，可以變為一個 FinTech professional。咁就喺各方面去增加嗰個 supply 啦。因為我哋知道個 demand 好大，將來對於呢個 FinTech 嘅 professional。頭先呢個所以我漏咗呢個咧，就係呢個第三個波咧，就係叫做 Industrial Project Master Network。咁我哋係中文大學咧，同呢個金管局咧合作，係令到嗰啲銀行啦、保險公司咧，係俾一啲實質嘅project 俾我哋啲學生做，係喺 Final Year Project 啦，同埋喺 Master of Science FinTech 做嘅 Industrial Project， 咁咧係非常成功嘅呢個。咁第五個咧就係要喺各方面咧提供資源俾我哋啲想喺呢個行業做嘅 startup 啦，或者係去做 training 啦。咁呢個方面，咁呢樣嘢咧就係可以概括到香港點樣推動呢個金融科技啦。咁究竟金融科技係咩咧？咁你見到呢個圖咧，大家可以上網都 Google 到呢個圖，叫 Hong Kong FinTech 嘅 ecosystem。你見到有唔同嘅行業嘅分類啦，有啲咩公司喺嗰啲分類呢個分類裏邊係 actively 係做緊FinTech 嘅 business 咁樣。咁呢啲而家你見到我哋係幾年前呢個圖咧就冇咁複雜，即係話咧係好多唔同嘅初創公司都係入咗行啦，同埋變咗一個獨角獸unicorn 啦，即係佢應該係1個 billion 好多係香港 base 嘅公司。咁希望大家有個即係概括嘅了解咧，就唔係好深入，但係我哋呢就係俾咗一個 overview 各位究竟金融科技係概括啲，同埋將來個成個 ecosystem 點樣發展咧？咁同學嘅 career prospect 就一陣有啲分享啦。多數咧就係喺金融科技個金融界啦，即係金融界包括咩咧？保險公司啦，asset management 啦。呢個銀行啦，當然啦，hedge fund 啦，政府嘅 regulator 啦，Hong Kong MA 啦，或者呢個 insurance authority 啦，咁 startup 啦，當然大家亦都有呢個 startup 嘅興趣咧，可以 create 呢個初創公司出嚟啦。咁政府亦都大學亦都有提供資源喺呢個方面。咁我哋如果係睇翻2021年嘅第一批嘅畢業生咧，佢哋去到銀行啦 ，investment bank 啦。頭先我哋都一陣會有一位同學會講佢喺 Goldman Sachs 嘅經驗啦，commercial banking 啦、匯豐啦、中銀啦，呢啲銀行啦。咁差唔多啦，咁俾翻Professor Lee。
Okay, so now I will explain the program to you. So this program is offered by the Department of Systems Engineering and Engineering Management. Okay, so our department actually has over 30 years of history, and we offered this FinTech program back in 2017. Okay, it's the first of its kind in Hong Kong. So we have other FinTech programs in Hong Kong, but the CUHK is the first one in Hong Kong to offer FinTech. And over the years, our program has been very popular among students. Okay, and I would like to point out that two further options are available under our program. And so, if a student is admitted by this FinTech program, he or she can further apply for this double major program and this dual degree program. So we have collaborated with the business school at CUHK. And we offer a double major program in FinTech and integrated business studies. Okay, IBBA stands for something like integrated business studies. So it's a business program. So in this double major program, basically students can study for two majors, both technology and business. Okay, at the same time. So they are going to graduate with two majors. So of course, some students are really interested in this option because they see the importance of both technology and business knowledge. We have also collaborated with Peking University, which is one of the best universities in China, to offer this a dual degree program in FinTech and financial math. Okay, so students basically can graduate with two degrees. One is from CUHK. The other one is offered by Peking University. So you get one degree from both universities. Okay, so this is collaborating with their financial math department. So the training at Peking University is mainly about math and financial math. Okay, so I will say more about these two programs later. But for now, you can be aware of these two possible options. Okay, so here are some highlights of our program. As I already mentioned, we are the first of its kind in Hong Kong. So we have actually lots of experience in FinTech education and also in developing connections with the local industries. In terms of the curriculum, we have a well-balanced coverage of these cutting-edge technologies like big data, machine learning, AI, and finance. Okay, so we're not just focusing on technology, but we also make sure that our students have sufficient knowledge in finance and business. The third one is about our connections. So we have very strong connections with industries. So we have these seminars given by industry speakers. And also we have industry type projects, as Professor Chen already mentioned previously. So we have each year we have projects sponsored by our industry partners. And if you visit our lab, actually, we can demonstrate some of these industry type projects our students have done. We also have a very close collaboration with the other faculties at CUHK. Okay, so here is the curriculum structure. So basically, in the foundation years, which mean year 1 and year 2, the focus would be on developing a solid mathematical foundation. So students will be required to take several mathematics courses like calculus, linear algebra, probability, and discrete math. So these courses are definitely very important. Okay, math is in general very important for studying. Okay, this is one block, and then the other block is about computer program. Our students will be required to command 3 programming languages, which are all very popular in the industry. And then this one is also very important. This is for building the finance and economics foundation for our students. So the finance course is offered by the business school. Economics course is offered by the Department of Economics. We also have one course offered by the law school, which is on FinTech regulations. So this is about the law aspects of FinTech. And then moving on to more senior years, so we're going to teach students some quantitative methods. So these are, of course, very important analysis tools to solve a problem. Data science, including machine learning, data mining, big data. information systems, okay, like database, blockchain, which is a distributed ledger technology. And then we also talk about the security of these systems. And we also have various FinTech topics like financial infrastructures, e-payment, cryptos, okay, internet finance, investment, and also financial innovation. Okay, so we would like to provide our students with a comprehensive education in terms of both technology, finance, and FinTech. Okay, and in the last year, all students will be required to work on this capstone project, which we call final year project. Okay, so as Professor Chen mentioned previously, some of these final year projects were sponsored by our industry partners. Okay, so our students have opportunities to work on some real world projects. Okay, that could have a meaningful impact. So by the way, we do have some projects. The solutions developed by our students were actually implemented by that company. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I would like to bring up several courses offered by the other faculties. We collaborate closely with business school and law school and social science. Okay, so several courses were offered by them. So you can. I mean, some of these courses are not required, but they're electives. Okay. So speaking of electives, we are actually very flexible. Okay. So we understand, some students would like to focus more on technology. Some students would like to focus more on business. So it's up to the students to pick the electives that would fit their career plan. Okay. So if let's say a student is more into business, then she or he can, consider taking these elective courses offered by the business school. If you are more into technology, then we have plenty of such courses offered by the Faculty of Engineering. Some of them are offered by computer science. Some offered by the system engineering department. Yeah. Regarding student activities, in the past, our students actively participated in various competitions. If you check our website, you'll see that our students have won awards from various FinTech challenges. Okay, and also for doing overseas exchange there's a lot of opportunities at CUHK. So CUHK organizes these exchange at various levels. There are exchange programs at the university level. At the college level, like each student will be associated with a college, like for example, like the Chongqing or Shaw College. They have their own exchange program. And then Faculty of Engineering also organizes its own exchange program. So there's actually a lot of opportunities for exchanges. So you can just apply to anyone that interests you. And in the past, many of our students exchanged overseas in countries like this. And then also they did a lot of internships. Okay, we definitely encourage our students to do internships. So later our alumni will share with you some of their experiences. Okay, so here comes the admission requirement parts. So we accept both JUPAS and non-JUPAS students. For JUPAS, this is our JUPAS code. Okay, so if we are looking at the best 5 Hong Kong DSE subjects. So by the way, all this information is available from our website. Okay, if you check our program website, you'll be able to find these things. So we focus a lot on mathematics. So that's why you see its weight is higher than the others. Okay, and then the minimum requirement for mathematics. For preferred electives, we actually welcome students of various backgrounds. So we know some students focus on business and the econ in their secondary school study. Definitely welcome. Okay, and some students focus on ICT or some science subjects. Definitely welcome. Okay, and also we prefer you have M1 or M2. Okay, M1 or M2. So in general, students with science background, with ICT background, with business or economics background are all welcome by this program. Okay, all of these are preferred subjects. For these preferred subjects, their weight is 1.5, which is high. Okay, higher than the other than some of these other subjects. And M1, M2 also carries the same weight as the compulsory mathematics, which is 1.75. For our JUPAS admission scores in the past, okay, the median score for the best 5 total without any weight is 26 in the last year. Okay, in the last year. Okay, if you're looking further, it was also around this level, 26. Okay, that's the median score. Okay, median score. So admission quality, we rank top 3 among all engineering programs. Okay, among all engineering programs at CUHK in the past several years. So this is a very popular program, and amidst very good students. So we are going to conduct interviews for JUPAS students. It will be done in late May or early June next year. So we don't have the manpower to interview every JUPAS applicant. So we are only going to select from Band A applicants for the interview. Okay. So, however, I would like to clarify that, because our selection for interview may be biased. Okay, we mean that we may be biased in the selection for interview. So, some good students are actually not invited for interview. Okay, so let me clarify that if you are not invited for interview, no worries. Okay, no worries, because that will not reduce your chance of being admitted. Okay, for JUPAS admission, eventually the admission result depends on your DSE score. Eventually, it depends on your DSE score. Okay. And then for non-JUPAS, of course, we highly encourage non-JUPAS applications. So we will accept all kinds of qualifications. Of course, most non-JUPAS students in Hong Kong would apply with IB and some with GCA level. Okay. If you have some other qualifications, like if you are a sub-degree student, you're also welcome to apply. For non-JUPAS applicants, we are going to interview all suitable candidates, and the offers are really made on a rolling basis. That means they are made offer. We make offers throughout the year, but I hope you can apply early. Okay, and then I just briefly mentioned the other 2 programs. We have this double major program with IBBA, which lasts 4 years. Okay. So any student admitted by FinTech can apply. Okay. Of course, we are going to form a joint selection panel with the business school to look at these applications. So in the past, this option was quite popular among our students. Actually, quite a lot of students applied. So currently, the quota is 3. So each year we select 3 students for this program. But in the future, I mean, depending on the need of students, we may consider, expanding the size of this double major program in the future. Okay, so currently it's 3, and then we also have this dual degree with Peking University. The quota is 2 every year. So for this one, you are going to study at Peking University in the first 2 years for math and some financial math courses. Okay, so the purpose is building a solid foundation in mathematics in the first 2 years, and then in the last 2 years, you come back to CUHK to study FinTech. This program would be very ideal for students who are aiming high, okay, who would like to pursue advanced studies like MPhil or PhD in the future. Okay. And scholarships, CUHK offers all kinds of admission scholarships. So our program is also generous in making that scholarship to high score applicants. Okay, so this is my part. So we have this Q&A page. You can just scan this QR code, and then you will be led to our website to get more information. And we also have an FAQ list there, which answers some frequently asked questions. Okay, so now comes the alumni sharing part. So let me invite our alumni to share with us. So yeah, Yu, are you ready to share?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, great.
Hello， 大家好啊。我係舊年金融科技專業畢業嘅同學，我叫 Jade。今日我想同大家分享下我大學4年嘅 experience， 同埋我而家工作同 FinTech Program 嘅關係。如果要用一個詞來 用 FinTech Program 嘅話咧，我就會用自由。呢個就係我哋都可以好自由嘅 explore 唔同嘅知識。我自己喺大學嘅時候都 explore 咗講廣東話，但係而家都唔係好標準嘅，要大家多多包涵。金融科技專業本身嘅課程咧都有金融啊、science 啦同數學，所以喺平時上堂嘅時候都可以 expose 到好多唔同嘅嘢。除咗上堂之外咧 ，FinTech Program 都俾我哋好多其他嘅 support， 大家都參加咗好多唔同嘅活動、比賽啦，或者到其他國家 exchange。喺一灣嘅時候咧，我哋就去咗好多香港嘅金融機構參觀嘅，譬如 Bank of East Asia 啦、HKMA Hong Kong Monetary Authority 啦。上堂嘅時候咧 ，professor 都會請好多嘅 speaker 做啲 sharing， 所以我哋都有好多機會 expose 到唔同嘅 industrial change。喺 Year 2嘅時候咧，我哋都有好多機會自己做啲 project 參加比賽。喺比賽中間咧，我哋都會同學校嘅 professor 討論啊。喺討論中間，我哋都學咗好多嘢嘅。Department 都俾咗我哋好多 internship 嘅機會。Year 2嘅 summer 嘅時候咧，大家都去咗唔同嘅 bank 做啲 internship。喺 Year 3嘅時候咧，我就同同學都去其他嘅國家做啲 exchange program 啦，都可以 experience 啲唔同嘅文化同埋課程。因為 FinTech Program 都俾咗我哋好多 explore 唔同 department 課程嘅機會，所以我哋都好容易都可以玩到自己中意做嘅嘢。我自己舊年畢業之後，跟住就係 Goldman Sachs 做緊 FinTech Engineer。喺工作之後咧，我就覺得 FinTech Program 都對工作都有好大嘅幫助嘅，因為都學咗 finance， 所以對 pricing 啦、financial workflow 啦都有好多嘅了解嘅。平時工作就係 automate 呢啲 pricing logic。同埋 financial workflow 啦，所以 finance 嘅課程都好有用嘅。但係喺大學嘅時候咧，大家都學咗點寫 codes， 所以我哋都寫 programming 嘅。呢啲都對我哋喺工作中做啲 programming 嘅嘢都有好大嘅幫助。喺工作嘅時候就好明顯，好多人佢哋都識 finance， 但係佢哋都唔識睇 codes。有啲人咧，佢哋識睇 codes， 但係佢哋都唔了解 financial workflow 或者 pricing。所以 combine 咗 finance 同埋 computer science 都令到我哋喺工作中都容易好多嘅。最後就歡迎大家加入 FinTech Program 啦，都好希望大家都可以喺 FinTech Program 一齊 explore 唔同嘅知識，都可以 explore 到自己中意做嘅嘢。Thank you 啦。
Yeah, thank you, Jay. Thank you. Now let's invite Felix to do the sharing.
Hello everyone. So 係，我哋今日係廣東話嘅 session 嚟嘅。咁我叫 Felix 啦，我就喺 L'Oreal 做 Management Trainee， 我亦都喺 Meta 都有唔同嘅 certification 啦。咁頭先 Jay 都分享咗，其實喺 FinTech Program 其實出路都好廣嘅，又或者其實我哋 program 都好多 support 俾我哋啦。咁我自己咧就冇去好concentrate 咧喺做一啲好development focus 嘅一啲工種咁樣啦，而我呢5年嚟嘅 experience 咧，其實都係好diverse喺唔同 industry 嘅。咁我諗最 focus 咧，其實大家都會關注就係我之前 take 咗1年 gap year 咧，就喺金管局啦，同埋有個 summer internship 咧，就係喺 Deloitte 做 FinTech consulting 嘅。咁我呢2個經驗咧，都係最relevant to 我喺中大嘅時候讀 FinTech 嘅一啲 studies 咁樣啦。咁我哋其實除咗睇成個 IT system 之外咧，我喺 Deloitte 都有理解到究竟唔同 bank 啊，或者就算唔係 bank 係 financial services 啦，佢哋對香港嘅 FinTech talent pool 啊，或者我哋對香港嘅 FinTech infrastructure 個了解係點樣嘅。咁我經歷完咁多個 internship 之後咧，我自己就嘅得着就係覺得我哋雖然好似有 Professor Chan 咁樣講，我哋喺financial industry 可以應用到好多 technology 啦，但係其實我覺得呢一種嘅 skills 係非常之 transferable 嘅，所以我就覺得我哋我自己啦就冇限制於淨係喺 finance 呢個 industry 做啲 tech 嘅嘢啦。咁我最後而家 land 咗咧就喺 L'Oreal 度做 management trainee。 咁我喺嗰邊咧就係做 digital e-com and CRM 嘅，因為我自己就即係對可能retail industry 啊 luxury industry 就有啲興趣啦，而嗰度都有 position 咧係做一啲 payment 啊或者係 sales related 嘅 technology 嘅，咁所以我哋可能可以好似頭先 professor 都有 share 到，可能 payment gateway 我哋用 Alipay 啊 WeChat Pay 啊係點樣啊，或者係我哋唔同嘅API 駁嘅時候會唔會有啲平啲啊快啲 security 嘅方法去做到呢樣嘢？咁我都認同就係話我哋 FinTech Program 其實都係有個 flexibility 喺度嘅，所以我哋 final year project 嗰陣時咧就冇做一啲好 development focus 嘅一啲 project，而相反咧我就揀咗一個之前頭先 professor 都有 share 到啦，係一個關於 CBDC 啊同埋 digital wallet 嘅一個project 嘅，咁嗰個 experience 咧就會係 more on management 啦，或者係一啲 application development 啊，或者係即係冇咁真係 programming 嘅。而係相反，多少少係 planning 啊、strategy 啊，呢一類型嘅 project 咁樣咯。咁我另外自己都有收到entrepreneurship innovation 嘅一個 minor 啦。咁我覺得呢兩個 program 其實真係好相輔相成，因為將我嘅 skill set 更加 transferable 去其他 industry。咁當年我入 admission 去呢個 program 嘅時候，我就即係冇你哋在座咁位咁好彩有個 alumni 去 share 究竟我哋將來會係點樣啦。咁我都知有啲同學喺呢一個年紀都未必好清晰話自己我4年後或者5年後我一定要入邊個 bank 做一啲乜嘢嘅位置嘅。咁我呢度就可能會有少少嘅 use case 即係 sample，大家睇到係唔一定係做bank 㗎，話唔一定係做 consulting 㗎。咁我都唔排除有一日我都會翻轉頭嘅。咁但係至少見到呢一個 development 會係 transferable 咯。咁如果大家有咩問題都可以 feel free connect to 我或者我其他嘅同學 alumni，咁我哋都好 feel free to 答翻大家問題嘅。Thank you.
Thank you very much, Billy. Thank you very much.